Hello friends, let's have the discuss of NTA TPC 14. बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट की. हाउ मेनी स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट? Diffusion of solute will take place from chamber B to chamber A. This is correct. But diffusion of water will take place from chamber B to A? No, because higher concentration to low concentration. Option number C. Osmotic pressures of chambers B to chamber B is higher than chamber A. This is correct. I think B option होना चाहिए, but option number A. Question number 2. In a scientific name, every name has two words, genus and species. First alphabet of genus is written in capital letters. Yes. First alphabets of species is written in small letters. Yes. Every name is followed by author citation. Everything is correct. यानी कि option number D is all of these is correct. Question number third. Which one of the statement is wrong? GAA-TTC is the recognition site of ecoarban. Yes. Agrobacterial deficiency is used for the cloning genes in plants. Yes. In the restrictions enzyme ecoarban यानी co stands for coenzyme. No, it stands for coli. यानी कि यही this is wrong. Option number C is wrong, but option number D for transformation microparticles coated with DNA to be bombarded with gene gun are made up of gold or a tungsten. Yes. Question number 4. The letter capital T in T lymphocytes stand for thymus. Question number 5. Which of the following represent test cross capital T into a small t into capital T into a small t into a small t यानी कि option number D both A and B are correct. Question number 6. From the options which fails to exhibit the ability to direct their duplications for protein is not involved. Question number 7. Apical meristem culture method is used to obtain clones of virus-free plants. यानी कि option number B is correct. Question number 8. Which of the following bioinsecticide is obtained from the neem? यानी कि as a directin is neem. यानी कि option number B is correct. Question number 9. First cellular forms of life originated before how many millions years ago? यानी कि 2 million years ago. Question number 10. Genetic Engineering Approval Committee stands for. Option number A. This is most important question. हालांकि एग्ज़ाम में कई बार ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. ये इसलिए ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Continuous release of effluents from industries, homes and runoff from the fertilizers rich agriculture field causes by the accelerated eutrophication. Option number D is correct. Question number 12. Reproductive events that restores ploid यानी कि diploid condition is fertilizations. Question number 13. How many of the following contraceptive methods are for women only? Intrauterine devices, yes. Cervical caps, vowels, but condoms is also barrier. Saheli, Malady, यानी कि 5 is also correct. यानी कि option number B is correct. Question number 14. Outbreeding devices are of no significance in maize, mustard, coriander, but camelina is no significance. Question number 15. The primary difference between carbons and phosphorus cycles is that in the latter of there is no respiratory release of phosphorus into the atmosphere. Question number 16. What is the other name for anthropogenic extinctions? Sixth mass extinction. Question number 17. Which of the following statements is incorrect? The process of formation of a mature female's gamete is called oogenesis. Yes. Oogenesis is initiated just after the birth of girl child. No. This B is wrong. Incorrect. The tertiary follicle is characterized by a fluid-filled cavity called the antrum. Yes. The option number D. The secondary oocyte retains the bulk of nutrients-rich cytoplasm of the primary oocyte. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. सेकेंडरी ग्रोथ के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए? हेल्प इन इंक्रीज इन गर्थ और डायमीटर ऑफ प्लांट्स ऑर्गन्स. यस. occurs due to the activity of procampino. यानी कि ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट ओनली. एनसीईआरटी फिगर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. Some species of animals were recognized by the Linnaeus in his book Systema Naturae. Question number 20. Malfunctions of kidney can lead to accumulations of urea in blood. This condition is called azuremia. Question number 21. Clavicle scapula are the examples of which type of bones? Membranous. Question number 22. All of the following are adventitious roots that perform a vital functions except छोड़कर stilt roots. ओके यानी कि ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट. बट हॉस्टोरिया hygroscopic roots, photosynthetic roots are also adventitious. Question number 23. The ducts of glands and tubular parts of the nephrons are lined by epithelium यानी कि simple cuboidal. This is important question. Question number 14. Select the correct order of events occurring in blood clotting. blood clotting की जो formations है उसको बताना है. सबसे पहले क्या होगा? थ्रोम्बोप्लास्टिन्स फॉर्मेशन, फिर उसके बाद फिर आएगा कन्वर्जन्स ऑफ प्रोथ्रोम्बिन टू थ्रोम्बिन. ओके. उसके बाद फिर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फाइब्रिन पॉलीमर्स. ओके. फिर होगा फॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्लॉट का. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. vascular cryptogams and botanical snakes of plant kingdoms are pteridophyta. Question number 26. Which of the following activities do not involve the role of gibberellic acid? Seed germination. Okay. Malting. Yes. Flowering in long day plants, but root growth is no. Question number 27. All of the following are vector-less method of gene transfer except electroporations. Okay. Microinjections, bioelastic method or a gene gun, but agrobacterium is not. Option number D is correct. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is a plant pathogens and natural genetics engineering. It integrates its plasmids genes into the plant's genomes and transforms it when the bacteria infect a plant. A part of TI plasmid called tDNA transferred to the plant chromosomes. The tumors, including gene tDNA, is replaced with a foreign DNA. And this modified or a disarmed plasmid is then used as a vector to infect and transfers our genes of interest into the plant cells. Question number 28. In C4 plants, fixations of CO2 by Rubisco enzymes occurs at which place? Occurs at which place? In bundle seed cells. Option number B is correct. Question number 29. When Alexander Fleming was working, penicillin was accidentally discovered with the cultures of Staphylococcus bacteria. फिर जब वर्क कर रहे हैं तब डिस्कवर्ड की थी, जो कि अकस्मात हुआ था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 30, a water fund capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen and used as biofertilizer for azolla. Addendum is called walking fund. Question number 31, vital capacity, vital capacity IC plus ERV. IC किससे मैच होगा? IRV प्लस TV से। फिर TLC इज मैच्ड ऑफ VC प्लस RV एंड FRC इक्वल टू होगा ERV प्लस RV। क्वेश्चन नंबर 32, read the following statements about stars and select an option yes or a no for true and false statements respectively. It is main storage food in plants, yes. It consists of beta 1,4 glycosidic bonds, no. Amylose is a linear and branched molecules, yes. No. Amylopectin is linear and unbranched molecule, no. Amylopectin shows identical polymerization patterns as glycosins, yes. Question number 33, arrange the following events of meiosis is correct sequence. सबसे पहले फर्स्ट यानी क्रॉसिंग ओवर, उसके बाद फिर सेपरेशन ऑफ होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम्स, उसके बाद फिर इंटरकाइनेसिस, उसके बाद स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स। क्वेश्चन 34, माल्टेज मैच्ड फॉर इंटेस्टाइनल जूस। फिर ट्रिप्सोनोजन फॉर पैंक्रियाटिक जूस। HCl is also gastric juice. फिर टाइलिन is a saliva. Question number 35, water vascular systems help in locomotion, respiration, captures and transport of food, यानी कि ऑप्शन नंबर D is correct, all of the above. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 ये डायरेक्ट एनसीईआरटी का फिगर है। हालांकि बात करते हैं अगर हम यहाँ पर ए की, तो ए है सेल बॉडी। फिर बात करते हैं बी की, तो बी है नो। जो ए है वो है नीसेल्स ग्रेन्यूल्स। उसके बाद फिर बात करते हैं अगर हम बी की, तो नो। जो ए है वो है सेल बॉडी, जो बी है नीसेल्स ग्रेन्यूल्स है। उसके बाद फिर डी की बात करते हैं, डी है डेंड्राइट्स। उसके बाद अगर हम बात करते हैं सी डेंड्राइट्स, फिर डी, जो डी है वो है न्यूक्लियस के बाद फिर बात करते हैं अगर हम एफ की, तो एफ है सॉन सेल्स। उसके बाद बात करते हैं अगर हम जी की, जी है नोड ऑफ रेनवियर। क्वेश्चन 37, which of the following hormones is not secreted by adenohypophysis? ADS is not secreted, option number B is correct. Question number 38, when yeast ferments glucose, the products are ethyl alcohol plus CO2 plus energy. Question number 39, EcoRI is directly for chromogenic in substrate. फिर एक्स काल की अगर बात करते हैं तो फ्यूजोजेन से। फिर पेग की बात करते हैं तो पेग इज रेप्लिकेशन स्टार्ट पॉइंट। फिर ओरी की अगर बात करें तो restrictions enzyme, बट इसमें से ECO-RY, ECO-R1 एंड ओरी पूछे जा सकते हैं, बट ये दो NCERT के अकॉर्डिंग पूछे नहीं जा सकते। क्वेश्चन ऑफ 40, which are the following is correct for hemophilia? X-linked recessive gene disorder lethal in females, Mendelian disorder, all of these, यानी कि ऑप्शन नंबर डी is correct. Question of 41, factors which can affect Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Genetic drift, mutations, gene flow, all of the above is correct. Question of 42, CO is not a greenhouse gas. Question of 49, by which one of the following ways can AIDS spread? Infected needles and syringe, okay. Through mosquito bites, no. Looking after AIDS patient, no. Shaking hands, coughing, sneezing, no. Question of 44, in the list given below, how many seeds are albuminous seed? एल्बुमिनस सीड्स वो सीड होते हैं जो कि फूड स्टोर करके रखते हैं अपने इंडोस्पर्म के में, जिसमें कोकोनट के बाद ग्राउंडनट फिर मेज के बाद बात करते हैं सोयाबीन की, यानी कि 4 आर करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन ऑफ 45, in the given 4 statements select the incorrect one. Parturition is a complex neuroendocrine mechanism. Yes. The signal for parturition originates from the fully developed fetus only. No. Oxytocin is the main parturition hormone. Yes. Relaxin is secreted by the placenta and ovary of pregnant females. Yes. But option number B is not correct. Question 46, a lichen able to fix nitrogens, also called as azotodesmic lichen. Azotodesmic lichen हालांकि एनसीईआरटी में दिया नहीं गया है। Question of 47, read the following statements about stems and identify them are true and false. Ascending part of plant axis, yes, but यानी कि true. Develops from the radicals of embryo of germinating seeds, false. Generally green when older but brown when young, false. It may perform functions of vegetative propagations, yes. Question of 48, the abiotic factors which promotes the cycles of detritus compositions is increase in temperatures above 25 degrees centigrade, moist environment, but poor aeration, no water logging conditions, no, यानी कि ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन ऑफ 49, कॉमन salivary ducts of cockroach opens upon hypopharynx. Question of 50, which of the following is correct for blue-green algae? Cells are covered by peptidoglycan cell wall. Question of 51, which of the following is an incorrect pair pertaining to the translations process? Option number A, rRNA catalytic role during peptide bonds formation. Yes. tRNA transfer amino acid, mRNA for codons. UTR only at 5' ends. No, this is not correct. Question of 52, the germinations where epicotyls elongates and becomes curved, keeping the cotyledons underground, is known as hypoxial. Question of 53, which of the following combinations is correct? Klinefelter syndrome, trisomy 3 bar body, not 3 bar body. Turner syndrome, monosomy 1 bar body, yes. Jacob syndrome, trisomy of 1 bar body, yes. Not everybody are correct. Everything Turner syndrome, monosomy 1 bar, no. ट्राइसोमी के लिए होता है, बट जैकब सिंड्रोम ट्राइसोमी मोनो 1 बार बॉडी, नो. बट मल्टी एक्स फीमेल ट्राइसोमी 2 बार बॉडीज, यस. यानी कि जितने एक्स हो उनमें से एक -1 माइनस कर दो, उतने बार बॉडी आते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 54. व्हाट इज एलेंस रूल इज रिलेटेड टू एस्टिवेशंस. क्वेश्चन 55. ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट एक्सेप्ट, एक छोड़कर. मोर देन 70% ऑफ ऑल स्पीसीज आर एनिमल्स, यस. एम्फीबियन स्पीसीज आर मोर डाइवर्स इन द ईस्टर्न घाट्स देन इन द वेस्टर्न घाट्स, नो. Lichens are less diverse than algae, yes. Number of fungal species in the world is more than the combined total of fishes, amphibians, reptiles and mammals. हालांकि अभी तो नज़र आ रहा है ब्लैक फंगस, वाइट फंगस, जिसे म्यूको माइकोसिस का नाम दिया, म्यूकर माइकोसिस, ब्लैक फंगस. क्वेश्चन 56. Resistance to stems borer in maize is because of high aspartic acid and low nitrogen and sugar content, yes. But solid stem, no. Not correct. Question number 57. In fungi, food is mainly stored in the form of glycogens and oil drops. Question number 58. Milk product in which fruit or fruit flavor is included is known as yogurt. Question number 59. During photorespiration, the glycolic acid is oxidized to glyoxylic acid inside peroxisomes. Question number 60. Statement is correct. Angiosperms exhibit double fertilization because two fusion events occur in the embryo sac. Yes. Three gametes are involved in the process of double fertilization. Yes. ट्रिपल फ्यूजन जिसे ओआरएस एंडगैमी के नाम से जानते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 61. पॉलीआर्च डार्च एग्जाज विथ लेस डेवलप्स हाइपोडर्मिस cuticle with well developed cambium. How many structures characters or belonging to monocotyledons? Polyarch exarch or pith are also monocotyledons roots or character. कि पॉलीआर्च एग्जाज पिथ वेल डेवलप्ड होते हैं जो कि मोनोकॉटिलेडन्स रूट का करेक्टर है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 62. ड्यूरिंग स्टारवेशन RQ वैल्यू विल बी लेस देन यूनिटी. यूनिटी मीन्स लेस देन 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 63. Family planning programs are initiated in 1951. Yes. According to WHO, reproductive health means total well-being in the physical, social, behavioral, and emotional aspects of reproduction. Yes. Haley was developed at CDRI in Lucknow. Yes. Amniocentesis should not be banned as it is fetal sex determination test. This is wrong. Question number 64. In the floral formula, K denotes for gymnosipulus. Question number 65. Out of the following four statements, which one are correct? Rubella is also called German measles. Yes. Syphilis is an sexually transmitted disease caused by protozoan. No, it is bacterial disease. Inability of heart to pump sufficient blood is called heart failure. Rheumatoid arthritis is caused due to wear and tear of testicular cartilage. No, this is not correct. Syphilis is caused by Treponema pallidum और rheumatoid arthritis की बात करें तो inflammations of the synovial membrane. It is an autoimmune disorder. Question number 66. How many transitional communities are present in the Hydrarch succession hydroxy 5? क्वेश्चन नंबर 67. फर्स्ट है ए है हेड, फिर बी है सीट, फिर सी है कॉलर और डी है टेल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 68. In which type of inheritance maximum number of intermediates are formed? Polygenic inheritance. Question number 69. In absence of ADH, the disease caused by diabetes insipidus. Question number 70. Transfer of group other than hydrogen kept under which class of enzyme transferase? Question number 71. The structures which provides nutrition to the embryo is placenta. Question number 72. Cell cycle of an ordinary plant cell. डिप्लॉयड, फिर म्योसिस हुआ, फिर हेप्लॉयड, फिर उसके बाद फर्टिलाइजेशन, फर्टिलाइजेशन के बाद डिप्लॉयड कंडीशन के फिर माइटोसिस, माइटोसिस के बाद फिर डिप्लॉयड कंडीशन जो कि हमारी बॉडी की सेल्स होती हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 73. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ऑब्लिक आर मेंबर्स ऑफ ए क्रैनिएटा, हार्डमानिया, एम्फिऑक्सिस एंड एसाइडिया. Chordata is divided into acraniata, craniata, acraniata included urochordata and cephalochordata. Urochordata having notochord in the tail in only larval condition and so retrogressive metamorphosis in style present in urochordata. Examples की बात करें तो एसाइडिया, साल्पा, हार्डमानिया. But cephalochordata having notochord till head region, they have myotomes. Examples Amphioxus and craniata included vertebrata. Question number 74. How many of these drugs are obtained from the following plants? Barbiturates, no. Marijuana, for yes. Cocaine, no. Cocaine, yes. Amphetamine, datura, belladonna, yes. Benzodiazine, charas. यानी कि 5 are flowering plants. Marijuana, cocaine, datura, belladonna, charas. Question number 75. Which type of placenta is found in the tomato and argemons, respectively, exiles and parietals? Question number 76. Pre Preganglionic nerves fibers of third, 7, 9, 10. Cranial nerves are longer than postganglionic part of the parasympathetic nervous system. Yes, 5, 7, 9 and 10 cranial nerves are mixed in nerve. Parathetic nerve is the largest cranial nerve. No. Abducens nerve are sensory and smallest cranial nerve. No. Option number C is correct. Question number 77. Occurrence of more than one embryo in a seed is referred to as polyembryono. Oh no. Occurrence of more than one. Okay. Question number 78. Which of the following steroidal compounds is used in the synthesis of antifertility pills of diosgenin? हालांकि ये एनसीईआरटी में दिया नहीं हुआ है. Question number 79. Arrangement of microtubules in a flagellum and a centriole is respectively. This is most important question. हालांकि ये नीट 2020 फेज 2 में पूछा हुआ गया था. इस पे क्वेश्चन 9+2 and 9+0. Question number 80. Which of the following fish is famous for migration? Salmon. Question number 81. A skeleton of 4 interlocking carbon rings is found in asteroids. Question number 82. In the electric discharge experiment, Miller maintained a temperatures of 800 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. दिस मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, ये नी 2020 में भी पूछा गया था. इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द मोस्ट इकोलॉजिकली रिलेवेंट इन्वायरमेंट फैक्टर्स इज टेम्परेचर्स. Question number 84. Life cycle in Chlamydomonas pyrogera urothrix is haplontic type. Question number 85. Morgan coined the term recombination to describe generations of non-parental gene combinations. Option number C is correct. Question number 86. The leaf base is solent to form A is also pulvinous and B is leguminous plants. Question number 87. What is the mode of asexual reproductions in euglena longitudinal binary fission is also related. Question number 88. First clinical gene therapy was given in 1990 to 4 years old girl child for treating adenovirus adenosine deaminase deficiency यानी कि ADA. Question number 89. The optic nerve leaves the eye at a point medial to and slightly above the posterior pole of the eyeball. In this region, photoreceptor cells are not present and is called blind spots. Question number 90. Which of the following is incorrect with respect to Chargaff rules? Phosphates and deoxyribose sugars occurs in equal amounts. Yes, the ratio of adenine plus guanine oblique thymine plus cytosine is specific for a species. No, there are double hydrogen bond between adenine and thymine. Yes, but guanine and cytosine are triple bond. Molar concentration of purines is equal to the concentrations of pyrimidines. I think every हालांकि 90 क्वेश्चन should be also completed, but I think आप लोगों को अगर पसंद आता हो तो प्लीज़ चैनल्स को सब्सक्राइब करें. हालांकि सब्सक्राइबर आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हैं, सिर्फ देख लेते हैं. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करने में क्या जाता है, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए. हालांकि और जितने भी टीपीसी हुए हैं मैं सबको एक डे बाय डे पर डे डालता रहूँगा. प्लीज़ आप लोग सब्सक्राइबर इंक्रीज़ करिए प्लीज़. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.